I do not know how this started recording. I do not know how this started recording again. Black Pyramid Cruise. He's not! I'm fucking hungry. Look at this laundromat. I like this. Is cool. This is a laundromat where you mind your business. Nobody fucks with you. Ola's. I think Key Foods is closed. Let me make sure nobody going in my bag behind me trying to steal my money, because I just leave my money all over. When I be out here like, can I get a dollar? Let me get a dollar. You have a dollar? You have a dollar? Dollar, take. Well, I see a black guy in here.